So many people ask us, I just bought a RoadRunner, where in the world should I mount this on my trekking pole? Well, I'll tell you my favorite place, and that is going to be right at the bottom of the grip. The main reason for that is when I deploy that RoadRunner, my rifle is going to go up against the foam of the grip. That's going to provide two things. It's going to keep the rifle silent, and it's also going to provide a little bit of friction for me instead of trying to rest my rifle up against, the aluminum or that carbon shaft of the trekking pole. Now, of course, with the universal nature of the RoadRunner, you can put it wherever you want on your trekking pole. If you're ready to stabilize your hunt this coming fall, grab a RoadRunner, put it on your trekking pole today.